Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to forward voice message on emo. First of all, you can open the emo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you will just simply open the chat that you forward a voice message to the other person. I can open this person chat. So now you can hold on the voice message, and here you will see the third option, that is share. Tap on it, and now you will just simply tap on share again at the bottom left corner of the screen, and now you will just simply search the name that you forward this voice message to the person. And now this is the way you can forward voice message on emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below.